Meaning of experimental.
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 Experimental. The term experimental refers to something that is based on scientific experimentation or testing, rather than established knowledge or experience. Experimental methods are often used when there is a lack of existing information or when new ideas need to be explored. The results of such experiments may be uncertain or unexpected, and may require further investigation to confirm their validity. Researchers involved in experimental work must carefully design their studies, control variables, and collect data in a systematic and rigorous way. Ultimately, the goal of experimental research is to expand our understanding of the world around us.